Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkay. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons why your hair is probably not growing. And I'm also going to be giving you some tips and tricks as to what to do to help your hair grow. So if you'd like to know this information, then keep on watching. So problem number 1. Yeah, you're probably not drinking enough water. Water really helps with hair growth internally as well as externally. So you have to really take into consideration your water intake. If you're not taking as, how many are you even supposed to take? You're supposed to take 8 ounces a day. So if you're not taking close to that many ounces in a day, then that's probably one of the reasons why you're not really experiencing the Rapunzel effect. But yeah, so make sure that you're drinking water because it's very, very important to drink water, and yeah, it helps your hair to grow. So problem number 2, you're probably not taking multivitamins. Multivitamins are rich in vitamins, obviously.
Oh my God! Wow!
And one of the key vitamins that you need is biotin.
It's biotin, girl, not biotine. Oh my gosh.
Biotin has this crazy way of making your hair grow. If you'd like to find out more information about what biotin does, I would advise that you go to our beloved Google to find out. So yeah, biotin is one of the ingredients needed to grow your hair, your nails, and also for great skin. So if you're not getting enough of biotin, then that's one of the reasons why your hair is probably not growing as long as you want it to be or as fast as you want it to be. So I would highly advise that you take your multivitamins that also include biotin, and yeah, you'll definitely see some results. Problem number 3, your sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, the average amount of sleep that an adult is supposed to get is between, I think, 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. If you're not getting that much sleep, then that's probably one of the reasons why your hair is not growing as much as it should. Strive to sleep at most 6 hours during the night, and that would not only help your body to feel refreshed and energized and rejuvenated, but it's also going to help your hair to grow, and your hair would definitely thank you for that.
Sleep gives your body rest and also affects your body's hormones that are useful for hair growth. Blood flow decreases when you don't get enough sleep, which affects your hair growth.
Problem number 4 is your hair products. You're probably not using the right hair products for your hair. You also have to listen to what your hair likes and what your hair dislikes. Your hair actually tells you what it doesn't like and what it likes. Trust me, it does. Mine does a lot. So yeah, please take into consideration the hair products that you're using. Make sure the hair products have water in it, shea butter in it, and any natural ingredients that will help promote hair growth. If your hair products have sulfur and basically all kinds of chemicals with the long names, that is probably not the best thing to be using for your hair, even for chemical treated hair, because what happens is you're just going to keep breaking down your hair. You're going to be breaking down the follicles. Chemicals are generally not good for your hair, so take into consideration what products you're using and the ingredients in your products. And once you switch to products that are more natural based products that have water, mainly water and some shea butter, then yeah, you should definitely see some results in your hair growth. Problem number 5 is you're probably not giving your hair any TLC. Your hair, trust me, natural hair is like a big baby. You need to give it some tender loving care 24/7. Okay, maybe not 24/7, but I mean, you have to dedicate some time to your hair. So make sure you spend time deep conditioning your hair, washing your hair when you need to. Do not neglect washing your hair, because if you don't wash your hair, your pores are going to be clogged with product buildup, with dirt and sweat and all the nasty stuff. So you need to get all of those stuff out of there by washing your hair and deep condition to replenish all the nutrients that were lost from your hair during washing. And yeah, then your hair is gonna thank you for that. Aside from that, what I mentioned in my last video was head massage. You have to massage your scalp. As you massage your scalp, the blood is going to rush to your to your scalp, and that's also going to help in promoting hair growth. It's going to help your hair grow longer and stronger and thicker as well. I mean, come on, who doesn't want that? So make sure that you do that regularly. As I said in my last video, it's advisable that you deep condition your hair at least once a month, or I would rather prefer that you deep condition twice a month, because you know your hair needs it. And if you want to see some growth, you want to actually see something then it's best if you deep condition often. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and to share this video with those that are also having problems with hair growth, because trust me, it is so annoying when you're doing everything that you can to grow your hair and your hair just refuses to grow. It's like,
sis, I ain't doing this for you, okay?
So make sure you share this video with those that are struggling with it, because these tips actually work. I've used them for myself because I also experienced stunted hair growth. I also experienced a period in time where my hair was like, it's just not gonna do it for me no more. So I applied these tips, and yeah. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Before I end this video properly, let me just send a huge shout out to Fifi Thin and Fifi. Thank you so much for you guys' support. Thank you so much for your troubles sometimes. Anyway, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, I hope you guys are happy that I've done this, so you won't trouble me anymore. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in my next video. So